Two teams trying to shake off their rust a bit here. Aligayon, first ball. Bicar, back row. Wow. Don't you just miss men's volleyball?
That's right. All those rallies and powerful hits. Always a joy to watch. Take a look at that again.
Piojo in his first year for UE. And first time in the starting lineup. Santiago, the setup for Castrodes. Went drop ball. Piojo again. This time denied.
That was actually a good read by Aligayon dahil last second nag-change into a tip shot.
Sharp serve. Over-received and a regalo happily accepted by UE.
Let's see if they heat up in just a bit as we see veteran Lagando on deck to serve.
Bicar, the setup, combination.
So far, almost 90.
Jump set. Piojos, block. Bicar this time to the middle. Good morning, Mr. Sean Kamaymayan.
Great connection between Kamaymayan and Bicar. Tignan natin kung Bicar can find another attacker to go to. And that
Like
he
him.
finds.
Like you said, Mela.
Piojo with an exclamation point. Great connection. And Bicar finally setting him up with this ideal set.
Piojo to serve. The set to the left pin, Clemente. Checked at the net. Bicar will answer with Debs Aligayon. Stuff block for UP.
Greatly timed by Francisco. And yan yung sinasabi naman natin na magandang basa. Although we haven't seen much combination.
With Aceron entering. What a reach by Axel De Feo rather.
So I think this is something that they need to identify and maximize even more.
Over-receive. Thank you for the regalo, says Kamaymayan. Back set. Lagando's been quiet so far. He's being checked. Bicar, the toss, the right pin, and Pozas will score. Right now, De Feo is serving. Santiago, going middle. That's Francisco scoring the point.